Hi there and welcome back again. Guess what? I'm a celebrity now. The whole story now in this episode. Let's get started. Celebrity? You might think now he's completely above himself and screwy. But early this week I made a funny experience. I've been to Berlin for some shopping when all of a sudden someone was shouting, "Excuse me, excuse me." First I did not feel addressed. Then I thought somebody must mistake me for someone else. But when he asked, "Excuse me, do you run a blog on YouTube?" I thought, oops, this guy is talking to me. Then he continued, "My mother loves your videos. Can we take a picture together?" In the end, I stood with an American man I've never seen before in my life in the middle of Berlin, taking a selfie as if I was a famous singer or movie star. It was kind of weird. But on the other hand, flattering, I must confess. Later this week, Anne from the US wrote a comment under my last video saying that her son sent her a picture with him and me in Berlin. This world is a village. I had big plans for this weekend. My goal was to have everything on the outside finished and ready before Easter. Meaning, finishing the window framing, painting the substructure of the porch roof, closing the roof overhang, and so on. So, I started with the best of intentions. But just watch. By the way, that's typical German weather in April. It changes sometimes from one minute to the other. Now it's more precise. Fits like a glove. Another change in weather. leave me a number in the comments when you're able to count all the times I ran up and down the ladder. Another day, and the paint is dry. I think the roof looks a bit more sturdy with this board. Finished porch, here I come. I think I have to clean the roof this week already, otherwise it will turn green very soon. That's the disadvantage of a translucent roof. No, I'm not talking to myself. there has been a neighbor behind the camera. I honestly hesitated to upload this video today. I mean, let's be honest, I just mounted 3 boards to the house. But sometimes you're fully fueled with motivation and sometimes your tank is empty. This weekend all the filling stations have been closed, to stay in the picture. Please leave me a comment. Do you prefer longer but bi-weekly episodes? Or should I continue with my weekly rhythm? I'm eager to read what you think. This, by the way, is a little teaser for next week's episode. There will definitely be more content and a bigger result in the end, promised. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. And as always, thank you for watching.